Alexa, ask PitchBot to pitch chatShopper.
Hello, I'm Alexa. I want to talk to you about an awesome startup, chatShopper. They do shopping via chat and develop Europe's first and best fashion chatbot. Who are they? The founders are Antonia Makora and Matthias Nant. They know each other since 2012 and worked together since the beginning of 2015. Matthias holds a Master of Computer Science and had his own web agency for several years. Antonia is a trained event organizer, and during her business administration studies she worked at an e-commerce consultancy. During her internship in the strategy division of Otto, she had the idea for chatShopper, a service where you could order clothes via chat. They quickly built an MVP to test the idea, a shopping consulting service via WhatsApp, supported by human experts. After a few weeks of testing, they knew that users loved the service, so they built a software to handle chats by various experts. In September, they officially launched the service, and in the second month they were overrun and had nearly 2,000 requests in a waiting time of up to 1 week for an answer from an expert. They soon learned humans don't scale, and therefore they started to think about different possibilities to scale the service. In November 2015, they built the first prototype of a chatbot, and they soon could see that chatbots scale very well. Did you know that in 2015 the number of active users in messengers surpassed active users in social networks? When chatShopper was blocked by WhatsApp in early 2016, they were very happy that Mark Zuckerberg announced the bots for Messenger at F8 in April 2016. This means that now over 1 billion Messenger users can be reached by businesses without the need of downloading an app or saving contact details. Messaging becomes the new home screen, and bots could become the hero of this new area. This is huge. It's not only a new sales channel, but a shift in user behavior and interaction between customers and businesses. Now I want to show you the chatShopper bot in action on Messenger. Just send a message to chatShopper, and the chatbot called Emma will help you to find you the perfect fashion products. chatShopper's vision is that they want to find the right product with only one message, and therefore they need chatbots and existing channels to enable instant and scalable one-to-one communication. The bot framework they developed is very modular and can be connected to different channels. It's connected to the APIs from their partner shops, currently Zalando only, as well as the natural language processing service. What did they achieve in the past 7 months? In July, they won Zalando as a partner, and with their API, they rebuilt the bot, which was launched in September. They soon knew that they needed an English version of the bot, which started at the end of October and were integrated into the main chatShopper bot in December. The bot got many new features such as search for presents and the possibility to save favorite products in your wish list. They added an image recognition feature with which you can send pictures to the bot and it searches for similar products. In November, they built a skill for myself to test voice assistance and be able to evaluate the relevance and development. During the last week, they built a beauty bot for Valentine's Day for Douglas, which was launched today. What are the plans for the next 7 months? Enabling voice is one of the next tasks, as they need to collect training data to make this feature functional. In March, the checkout inside the bot with Zalando should be finishes, and after that they'll scale the service with the aim to proof the conversational commerce by the end of July. There will be some new features such as suggestions of outfits or trends and more information about the delivery process. The big technical topic of the next months is machine learning, as they want to make the experience and product suggestions more personalized. chatShopper earns 10 to 15% of the revenue, but the goal is the data and insights collected through their conversations. There are several other potential future business models, such as market research and trend forecasts, or using their framework or knowledge to build other chatbots. The chatShopper early adopters are very young. They spend the most time with their smartphone in apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat anyway, so it's very convenient for them to discover and buy products there as well. The mobile commerce market in Germany was 6.6 billion in 2014 and has more than doubled only in 1 year. About their competitors, most players rely on human agents or have a hybrid solution, something that won't be the best solution in the future, in my belief. With chatShopper, they created a brand that can enlarge the product spectrum over time and become a mobile sales platform. ChatShopper is supported by companies who believe in them, challenge them, and help them grow. If you would ask me, join them now. This is an awesome opportunity. Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you. Antonia and Matthias are looking forward to your questions, and I will rush to update my fashion knowledge.